Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and as you can see from the background, there's a lot of Frankie or frankincense, and that's because we're going to talk about doTERRA, Young Living's, as well as Melaleuca Company's frankincense essential oil. And the benefits of doTERRA frankincense is that it supports healthy cellular function, balances mood, and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. When it comes to benefits, the Young Living frankincense has an uplifting aroma that helps to ground feelings and promote spiritual connectedness. And then Melaleuca Company's frankincense benefits are that it rejuvenates your senses, promotes healthy looking skin, and elevates the mood and focus. And you'll see a pattern here with the benefits in that they can apply to other brands as well. It's just kind of interesting to see how each company describes their own. And then when it comes to the uses of doTERRA frankincense, and this is for the 15 ml bottle, which is roughly 250 drops, and that applies to each of the brands in today's comparison. But the uses for doTERRA is that you can diffuse 3 to 5 drops in a petal diffuser, or you can diffuse 6 to 10 drops in the aroma light diffuser. You can add 2 to 3 drops in a veggie capsule and consume with water, or apply topically with fractionated coconut oil, which is what that FCO stands for, to your reflex points on the bottoms of your feet, palms of your hands, or even your face for a good skincare routine. And then Young Living's frankincense has two main uses, so you can diffuse aromatically, or you can add 1 to 2 drops with a carrier oil of your choice and massage into your temples, bottoms of your feet, or shoulders. And then when it comes to Melaleuca Company's frankincense, it's very similar to Young Living's, but you can use it in a diffuser, or you can add it into the palms of your hands, rub together, and then breathe it in deeply. When it comes to pricing, doTERRA's frankincense for that 15 ml bottle is $93 retail or $69.75 wholesale. And before you go, whoa, look at the price, it's also important to think about supply and demand, which drives a ton of that, as well as the quality and sourcing. And so that is some factors to keep in mind with regards to pricing in general for any company outside of these three or even others. But I do have other videos that talk about the difference between retail and wholesale and kind of what's the best option when either getting started or continuing with your wellness lifestyle. And then when you look at Young Living's frankincense, an important note is that you'll need to see the vitality line for internal use. And so for an example, that 5 ml bottle of frankincense would be $40.13 for the retail, and they do have a wholesale option as well. But for the price specifically in this example is for the 15 ml regular frankincense, that's $99.34 retail or $75.50 wholesale. So you can see that it is more than doTERRA. But when you look at frankincense from Melaleuca Company, the other important note is that they do not have an internal use recommendation on their label. And then the price is $93 for regular members, which is the same as doTERRA's and follows a very similar retail based pricing structure. It's just kind of different in name. And then it's $40 for preferred members, which is, yes, the cheapest option of the three, but again, it's not for internal use, and then that asterisk there shows you have to do a little bit more to earn that pricing structure there. But other than that, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you got some value and perspective out of today's video. Hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below. I'll have some other videos as well as playlists, so whether you're with a company, on the fence, or kind of outside looking in, you can gain more perspective about what each company offers to see what's best for you or maybe somebody you know in the future.